why we don't lift them up to make it easier to cut grass and stuff. But on either side of the trees is pasture, which you can see on that side. And these trees that my dad planted years and years ago, there's the pasture on that side. These trees make an amazing wind block, natural wind block. Storms like this, I come out sometimes even in the night to check on the horses, and they're not even in the barn that they can go in, but they're not even in the barn. They're always standing on the sides of the trees